Do you want to become an IAS officer in only one attempt? For this, you'll need a very strong foundation. Generally, foundation programs are considered your first step towards civil services preparation. But we want to make it your final step towards success. Keeping this goal in mind, on 17th of April 2023, we at LevelUp IAS are launching our GS Foundation program. In this program, over the next 10 months, we will complete the entire syllabus of GS Foundation in a very comprehensive manner with the help of very talented and very experienced faculties. This will also cater to your CSAT as well as essay requirement. Other than the GS Foundation classes, we'll also have weekly current affairs classes. These classes will help you keep yourself abreast with the latest national and international developments. You'll also have weekly tests. These tests would be both of objective as well as subjective nature. What we want is, from the very first week, you should start solving MCQs and you should start writing answers. This will help you evaluate yourself and also help you revise the entire syllabus. But the most important part is, you will be given a personalized mentor who will also be a faculty member. For example, I myself will be acting as a mentor for 10 students in this batch. Idea is, students face a lot of other issues. Other than the academic issues, they face depression, they face other kind of concerns like what book should be read, what order should be followed. A mentor would help guide that student in the right direction throughout the journey of the student's preparation. All these features make our GS Foundation program the most comprehensive, the most elaborate, and a one-stop solution for your civil services success. And all this is available at a nominal, at a very competitive price of 50,000 only. So join us and experience the revolution in civil services preparation. Join LevelUp IAS.